everybody, welcome back to Hands-On Learning. This is Human Ignition and I will be going over the last one, I'll be going over the E vowel with you guys for Japanese. So let's get to it. We're gonna have E. Let's just put this up here. MSN HRT Okay, this should be our consonants now. MSNHRT. So we're going to start with E, which is a vowel. And we are going to, I can put this on. Oh, and we have a special character we're going to learn about in this time too. So we'll go over that too. But E. Just make sure that's correct. This is E. Remember this. This is important. Important. This is E. Important. This is E. This is a vowel. So side, side, down, squiggle, line. E. We're going to go to ne. The little fox is meh. The little fox is meh. Just sitting there, just laying. See, just meh. It's okay. Meh. Okay, se. Se is a special one because you can remember it by, see? It looks like an E with these little lines up top. See? Looks like an E. Because an E looks like this. So E, see? Looks like a squarish E. So that's se. So settle down. We're just getting started. No picking. Sorry. Ne. So we're going to draw like we were going to do the pregnant lady. Except we're going to go around here and then we're going to make a loop-de-loop. So ne. Ne. Pregnant lady with a loop-de-loop is ne. Pregnant lady with 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 the loop-de-loop is ne. So we're going to do pregnant lady, loop-de-loop. He. You're going to like this one. It's pretty easy. He. He. That was pretty easy. He. He. De or ret is Pregnant lady with a swoosh. Pregnant lady with a swoosh. So we're going to do, like we're going to do a pregnant lady, and then we're going to bring it in, and then swoosh. Pregnant lady with a swoosh. It's R. So you better run because she's got the swoosh. She got a swoosh. Swoosh. So now we are to T. And this is pretty easy. Te. It's like you're saying te, 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 like T. Te, 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 te. And you're going to make... There you go. It's a T for te, 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 te. Let me do that again. Slow motion. Te. So now we know all the hiragana except for one. Now this one's special. You will see it. It's the only one with a consonant by itself. You will not see another one with a consonant by itself. You'll see tsu, which looks like T, and then su. And it'll look like the T by itself, but that's the way you say it. Su, su, su. So you don't say t, su. You say tsu. So that's even not by itself. You have to listen. This is in. The N sound. And the N is pretty easy. It's an H with a little swoosh. H with a little swoosh. H with a little swoosh is an. H with a little swoosh is an. H with a little swoosh is an. H with a little swoosh. So, swoosh. Okay, guys, that is all for the hiragana. Woo! We got it done. I'm so proud of you. Good job. We got all the hiragana done. We got all the way through all the vowels, all the consonants. Woo! We're good. So now, why? Okay. So next we'll be doing numbers. And now that we know our hiragana, we're going to use, instead of writing out the romanji for seeing what sounds the numbers make, like 1 is going to be ichi. And instead of writing I-C-H-I, ichi, we're going to write out E and chi. So we're going to write out the E and the weird 5. So chi. So if you need to go back, but as much as you can, and I'll see you next time. And after the numbers will be our tests. So when I say, this is 1, this is ichi, I expect you, and I'll leave a pause, and I expect you to be able to write ichi in there with the hiragana, because you will know what it is now. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. This is Hands-On Learning, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Good luck.